Happy New Year to you all from North Valley Forge right here again, and I'm going to show you what we're on with today. We're going to be doing some new developments and new stuff at new showroom, so get yourself down here when we've done it. Well, we've got some 50 big 10 forest bar all put through there, come about 600mm long, put a bit forge, gas mark 6 as usual, put a nice good old fish tail on there. The wider spread the better for this. Big spread on them like that. Right, what we do, mark them out over here. Some nice gates already laid out there for bed coats. I've got one of these here. I've marked it all out. I'm going to cut these lines here into it and cut a bit of a V off top here. So it's got a natural shape of an arrow top there, and then what all we do is cut these right through. See where I'm cutting them lines there, and that's what they're going to end up looking like, and then we put them in forge back over here. Follow me. Got a couple warming up in forge here. What I'm going to do is just knock these out a little bit, just so I can get to them. And then we've got a bit of a jig over here, and I'm going to put this in here like that, and I can just pull these back round like this. So we've got a bit of a scroll on these. Yep. Same with the top one. Just knock it out to the road like that. And that's where I've cut them. And then pull them again around here. Like so. Yeah, that's what happened. I'm on fire! Right, pull them round there like that. Because Keith Shouter are asking me about these on Saturday, how do I make them? So this is for you, Keith. This is how I make these bad boys. And these are going to be off new Apollo gates. So you get this back and forth. Back over here and we'll put some rivets in them. Back over here. Just knock that out to the road. Same again. And then we'll knock them all flat and straight. Put that in there. That's the window here. Yep. Flatten that out back out there. So you get a gist of that there. So we're developing new stuff. We're going into new gates because we're going to be opening a new showroom pretty soon. So you come over here, we're going to blather some rivets on back. We'll weld it up. Let's turn this off. There one. They've got rivets down there like that. Put them back in forge. Do a bit of a knockabout. There you have it, that's new hinge straps really. So, since it's New Year, and we've got a few of these from Christmas, these bottle openers. If you like and share this page, we'll be giving a couple of these away next week. We'll pull them in an hat. sure it's Bob Swift. Get down to North Valley Forge. Right.